Hello and welcome to Quick Tech Solutions from W3 Grads. In this video, we will be looking at the concept of recursion in Python and its implementation. So, let us begin. Recursion is a way of programming or coding a problem in which a function calls itself one or more times in its body. Usually, it is returning the return value of this function call. If a function definition fulfills the condition of recursion, we call this function a recursive function. Recursion is one of the most effective techniques in programming. Once you understand recursive methods, they are often simpler to write than their iterative equivalents. A recursive function has to terminate to be used in a program. A recursive function terminates if with every recursive call the solution of the problem is downsized and moves towards a base case. A base case is a case where the problem can be solved without further recursion. A recursion can lead to an infinite loop if the base case is not met in the calls. Let us now look at the recursive function. In many programming languages including Python, we know that a function can call other functions. In addition, it is even possible for a function to call itself. This type of function which calls itself is termed as recursive function. The image shows the structure of a recursive function in Python. Here, when a recursive function is called by an external code, the control of the program goes to the location where the function is declared, then it moves inside the function body and evaluates the base condition. If the base condition is met, then the program does something meaningful and exits. Otherwise, the function does some required processing and then call itself again and again till the base condition is met. Now, let us quickly understand this with the help of an example. We will take the example to find the factorial of a number. We know that in mathematics, the factorial of a number n is expressed as 1 if the value of n is 0. However, for any value of n greater than 0, it is expressed as the product of n and n minus 1 factorial. So, if we are to compute the factorial of a number 4, then it will be 4 multiplied by 4 minus 1 factorial, which is same as 4 multiplied by 3 factorial. This 3 factorial is further expressed as 3 multiplied by 2 factorial, and 2 factorial can be again written as 2 multiplied by 1 factorial. Now, 1 factorial is equal to 1, as it is the product of 1 and 0 factorial. Mathematically, the value of 0 factorial is 1. So, 4 factorial is the product of 4, 3, 2, 1. This same approach can be extended. Write a recursive function for computing the factorial of a number. So, let us see how this can be done using Python code. We already have our Spyder IDE open, where we have already created a Python source code file with name recursion.py. We will declare a function named fact, which take a number as parameter, and returns the factorial of it. So, we will type def fact, and add parentheses to it. Next, inside the parentheses, we will pass a parameter n, which denotes any integer number for which we want to calculate factorial. Then we will put a colon. In the next line, we will write if n equals 0 colon, and press enter key. Again, in the next line, we will type return 1. So, this specifies our base case, or base condition. Below this, the problem cannot be decomposed or downsized. This is very important while implementing recursion, because if we don't include the base case, the recursive function will become infinite. So, every recursion program needs to specify a base case. Now, in the next line, we will type else colon. Then, in the next line, we will again type return n multiplied by fact n minus 1. This step clearly indicates that we are calling the fact function with a parameter n minus 1, which makes this function a recursive function. Now, we will move outside the fact function. Here, in the next line, we will type print, and call the fact function within it, and pass 4 as an argument. Then we will save the code and run it. On executing the code, we will notice the output on IPython console displayed as 24, which is the factorial of 4. So, this is how we write a recursive function in Python. Now, let us see the working of it in detail. The diagram illustrates the working step by step. When the fact function is called with 4 as an argument, then this value 4 is assigned to n. This n evaluated in the if statement, and since the value of n is greater than 4, it goes to the else block, and returns the product of 4 and fact of 4 minus 1, which is fact 3. Again, this fact 3 is function call with argument value 3. This value 3 is again evaluated on the if condition, and since the condition evaluates to false, it moves to else block, thereby returning the product of 4, 3, and fact 2. This process is again repeated till the argument value becomes 0. When the value becomes 0, it means that the base condition is reached, and the value 1 is returned. At this position, the output is obtained as 24, as shown in the diagram. So, this is all about recursion in Python. I hope you have followed this video and understood the concept well. So, keep watching, and I will see you another time. Meanwhile, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.